Hello everyone, good evening. So far we learned so much on equations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, constructing algebraic expressions. So likewise we learned a lot. Today I thought of trying some equation with brackets. I gave you a small introduction regarding that. Today I thought of doing more sums on equations with brackets. Okay. Equations part 2. Exercises on equations with brackets and divisions. Okay, under this topic, our first sum is y over 7 plus 1 equals 2. Now here there is a 7 underneath y, and this 7 is not common to y. Only this 7 is common to this term. This is one term and this is another term. So when we are given two terms like this, first of all we have to remove plus 1. Thereafter we can make y the subject. So what we have to do is y over 7 plus 1, to remove plus 1 we have to subtract 1. If we do it to the left hand side, we have to do the same thing to the right hand side as well. So 1 to 1 get cancels. Y over 7 equals 1. Okay, now I am going to remove 7. How can we remove 7? This is like quite a division kind of sum. Y over 7. Y divided by 7. So to remove the number underneath y, we have to multiply the same number above. If we do this, if we multiply the left side expression by 7, we have to do the same thing to the right side as well. So 7 to 7 get cancelled. 1 times 7 is 7, so y equals 7. This is the answer. Second question. Second question is little easier than the first question. P over 4 is equal to half. Okay, here what we have to do is we have to remove this 4. Okay, so to remove this 4, P divided by 4, we have to do the opposite, which is multiplication. So P divided by 4 times 4. If we multiply the term on the left by 4, we have to do the same thing to the right side term as well. So 4 to 4 get cancels. There are two 2's in 4, so P equals 2 times 1, 2. This means, okay, so it is like that. Next up. Third sum, it is given like this. 3x or 4 equals minus 3. minus 3 over 2. First we have to remove 4 here. How? By multiplying both sides by 4. First we have to remove 4, not 3. First we will remove 4. So to remove 4, we have to multiply both sides by 4. So this is also minus 3 over 2 by 4. So 4 to 4 get cancels. Here 4 means it is actually 4 times 1. 4 can be written like 4 over 1. Okay, we know 4 over 1 is 4. When we divide 4 by 1, it is 4. Same as 4 can be written like 4 over 1. 4 is equal to 4 over 1. I wrote it like that. Now we can simplify. 1, 2 and 2 2s. 1 times 1, 1 minus 3 times 2, minus 6. 3x equals minus 6 over 1. So after that what we have to do is, from here I am going here. Here this means 3x equals minus 6 over 1. Minus 6 over 1 means minus 6 itself. If we divide minus 6 by 1, this is equal to 3. To remove 3 we have to divide 3. So we have to do the same thing to the right hand side. 3 to 3 get cancels, x equals minus 2. If we divide a minus value by plus value, the answer is minus. Fourth question. Fourth question. 7 plus 2x over 3 equals 21. There are two terms, one is 7 and one is an x term, which is equal to 2x over 3. First we have to remove 7 here. Okay. So to remove 7, what we have to do is, we have to subtract 7 from both sides. So 7 to 7 get cancels. 21 minus 7 means 14. So 2x over 3 is equal to 14. Now we have to remove 3. So we multiply this by 3. Here also by 3. So 3 to 3 get cancels. 2x equals 42. 14 times 3 is 42. Check your tables. Now I am going to remove both sides by 2. Why? Because to remove this 2 we have to divide by 2, because we want to subject x here. So 2 to 2 get cancelled. X equals 21. Check and see. 42 divided by 2 means 2 times 2 4, 21. Next question. Fifth question. 3x minus 1 over 3 equals, 2x. 2x minus 3 equals 1 plus 1 equals 1. Okay, here 3 is common to both these terms, 2x as well as minus 1. Normally we found something like this kind of equation. So yeah, the term is outside the x term. But here, 3 is only common to x term. But here plus 2, 3 is not common to minus 2. But here 3 is common to both 2x and minus 1. In here 3 is common to only 2x. 2 is a different term. But here this 3 is common to both 2x and 1. Minus 1 elsewhere. So here we have to try a different method. Okay, for an example now, if it is x over 2 plus 1 equals 2, okay, in a sum like this we have to remove plus 1 first. Okay, but here no need of removing minus 1 first. Why? Because 3 is common to both these two terms. So first of all we have to remove 3 here. Why? Because 3 is common to both these terms. So what I am going to do is I am going to remove 3, I have to multiply this by 3. And this 3 is also common to 2x minus 1 both. Okay, so we have to write brackets outside the expression. Okay, because as division part, this 3 is common to both 2x minus 1. Multiplying 3 must be common to both these terms as well. So we have to use brackets here. So here also 1 times 3. 3 to 3 get cancelled. So 2x minus 1 equals to 3. Now we can remove minus 1. Before that there is a nuisance called 3. So we have to remove 3 first. Now it's over. Now we can easily remove minus 1. How? By adding 1. If we add plus 1 to left side, you have to do the same thing to the right side. So minus 1 to plus 1 goes 2x equals to 4. 2x is equal to 4. Now we can remove 2. So x is equal to 2. This is the answer. Okay, 2x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1. First we remove 3, why 3 is common to both these terms. To remove 3 we have to multiply this by 3 and this 3 must be common to 2x minus 1 as well. So outside the brackets, they are outside 2x minus 1, I put brackets to show that this 3 is common to both these terms. Then I cancel 3's and 1 times 3, if we multiply left hand side by 3, you have to do the same thing to the right side. So there comes 3, 2x minus 1, I write plus 1 to remove minus 1 and then the rest. Next is 6th question. Sixth question, it is okay, in this equation 20 is a multiple of 10. Okay, 20 is a multiple of 10 and 10 is common to both these terms. So what we can do is we can remove 10 straight away. Why? Because 10 is common to both these terms and 20 is a multiple of 10. So to remove 10 we have to divide the whole expression by 10 and we have to do the same thing here as well. So 10 to 10 get cancelled. X minus 1 means 2 times 10, 20. So this is 2. To remove minus 1 we have to add 1. 1 to 1 get cancelled. X equals 3. Next. Next is 7th sum, I suppose. Twice x plus 1 equals minus 2. Okay, first we have to remove plus 2 here. Why? Because 2 is common to x plus 1 and minus 2 is a multiple of, is divisible by 2 as well. By 2 2 to 2 get cancels. X plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, before that, keep this in mind. Plus divided by plus means plus. Same as minus divided by minus means also plus. Plus divided by minus means minus. Same as minus divided by plus means minus. Here minus divided by plus. So the answer should be minus. Okay. If this is plus 2, this is plus 1. Plus 2 divided by plus 2, plus 1. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 means also plus 1. But if one of these figures is a minus, the answer should be minus. Keep it in mind. And the other one is difference signs is minus. Okay. Next. Now, after x plus 1, now we have to remove plus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. X equals, this is not division or multiplication. This is like finding the sum or finding the difference. Plus 1 is plus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 means 0. Minus 1 minus 5 means same signs, and so that this is the sum. 1 and 1, 2. This is minus 2. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Likewise minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Same as minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Different signs means the difference. Same sign means the sum. Keep it in mind. Okay, when it comes to addition and subtraction. Same sign means the sign itself or the sum. Okay. Same sign means the sum. Here 1 and 1 2, minus means minus. So this is the sum. 2 minus 1, or in other words, 2 minus 1 means minus 2. Here difference. 1 is plus 1 is 1 means difference. Here also the gap difference. But if the sign is same, okay, that means the sum or the addition. So x equals minus 2 here. Say 1 plus twice x minus 1 equals minus 1. First we have to remove 7 here. Okay, 2 is common to both x and minus 1. But unfortunately outside this expression there are 7. So what I am going to do here is, first I am going to remove 7. 7 plus twice x minus 1 minus 7 minus 1 minus. So 7 to 7 get cancelled. Twice x minus 1 equals minus 8. Now we can remove 2. Because 2 is common to both these terms. And 8 is also a multiple of 2. So I am going to divide this by 2. 2 to 2 get cancelled. X minus 1 equals, minus divided by plus means minus. So it is minus 4. And then we have to remove minus 1 here. To do that, we have to add 1. 1 to 1 get x equals minus 3. Okay, minus 4 and plus 1. This is the difference. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So the difference means 3, and the bigger value is minus, so this should be minus. 4 is greater than 1, so the sign front of bigger value is minus, so it should be minus 3. Ninth sum. Twice x over 7 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here 2 is common to both these terms and 4 is a multiple of 2. Don't think about this term. Okay, don't think about this term. First think about the term outside both these terms. Both these. Why? Because we can easily remove 2 here, which is outside. Why? Right hand side is also a multiple of this 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2, 2 to 2 get cancels. 2 times 2. So x over 7 minus 1 equals 2. Now we can remove minus 1 because minus 1 is an outside term of, and 7 is only common to x. So plus 1, 1 to 1 get cancels. X over 7 is equal to 3. Now we can remove 7 by multiplying out. X equals 21. Final sum. Sorry, there are no solutions. Final sum. 5 times x minus 1 over 7 equals 10. I am going to remove 7 first. Okay, 7 is common to both x and 1. 5 is also common to both. 7 is common to whole expression. 5 is common to these two terms. So first we have to remove 7 times 7 times 7. 7 to 7 get cancels. X minus 1 equals 7. Now we have to remove 5. 5 is outside the brackets. Now 5 is common to both these terms and 7 is a multiple of 5. By 5, 5 to 5 get cancelled. X minus 1 equals 40. 70 divided by 5. 5 times 1, 5, 2, 20 means 5 times 4. So 40. If you divide 70 by 5, it is 40. Now I am going to remove minus 1 by adding 1. 1 to 1 get cancelled. X equals 50. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much.